Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing all right.
Okay,
All right.
driving the kids?
All right, let's see. I'm gonna try and see if I can hit the trunk release button,
Okay.
and if not, I'm
See where
gonna.
it is? You know where it is?
I've got a little bit of an idea. Ooh, that
So
tent
what's it up
is
here?
rough. Yeah, no. They starting a parade or something?
Indeed,
What's the mechanism?
Mechanism.
Alrighty.
It's like a Nope. Okay, well, we'll do it again. Your mama's leaving you. Look right there. Look right there. Y'all be careful.
Thank y'all.
Bye, Rachel.
Bye, y'all. Thank you so much.
All right, what do we need now?
Oh, look at you. Did you grab the thingy?
Yeah, this should get it.
Oh.
No, I'm joking.
Name redacted.
She was taking credit.
I thought it was you.
Oh, I got it. Thank you, though.